we are Rob and Ali, sharing with you our passion of all things cruise and travel.
You will notice that we're not actually on a cruise right at this moment. We're actually at home. And we're doing this. Why are we doing this?
Well, Rob, he looks after doing all the video editing, and normally I'm pottering around in the lounge doing something or doing nothing most of the time. But anyway, and then I could hear raucous laughter coming from his office while he was editing this particular video. And it's the video you're about to watch. So it should never have actually seen the light of day.
What happened was we were doing a room tour, and the captain did his announcement and did the emergency drill with the sirens, the emergency sirens. And during that time, Al decided that she would try on the life jacket in accordance with the instructions that were being given. So I kept the camera running, and I forgot all about it till I was doing the editing, and we looked at it, and it was hysterical. So we are going to show you this outtake of Al putting on the life jacket and what she does with it during the making.
Completely unscripted, completely,
during the making of a cabin tour. So hope you enjoy.
As a reminder, here are the instructions on how to put on your life jacket. Take the life jacket in both hands and place it over your head with the large section at the front. Connect the Velcro strips. Place the belt around your waist and connect the buckle by pushing the two parts firmly together. Pull the belt as tight as possible while holding the right hand pad. For additional security, fasten the top buckle if available. Tuck the excess belt behind the jacket. There is a light on your life jacket, and this will activate automatically if you have to enter the water. There is a whistle for attracting attention in the pocket on the side. We recommend that you practice wearing your life jacket in your room. Detailed instructions can be found on the safety notice on the back of your room door.
What's this?
Special life jackets are available for children and infants. If these have not yet been provided, please ask your room steward. For your information, the medical centre is located on deck 4 and is accessible by taking the midship elevators or stairs. The opening hours of our medical centre can be found in the Good Times or on the P&O app. If you experience a medical emergency, please dial 000 on any phone. Finally, if you have not done so already, please make sure to watch the safety video on your in-room television. Thank you for your attention and have a great cruise.
Thank you. Your muster station is also on your card. Muster station D. They are all on level 7. And I love that the medical centre is, that opening times are on Good Times. This is so uncomfortable, honestly. I think
it's not a fashion accessory.
I know, but when this
it's designed to save your life.
Isn't this going to go?
That's why you wrap it around your waist. That doesn't look like it.
You will have heard him say about a whistle on there. Now, if you are trying this on in your cabin, and especially if you've got kids and you're sort of like getting used to it and feeling like it, I recommend you do not blow this whistle, and do not let your kids blow this whistle. You do not know where that whistle has been. You do not know what the passengers before you have done with that whistle.
I don't think she expected me saying that, but
I know.
You can see the horror as she realised she just put that whistle in her mouth. Anyway.
This is terrible. Can't get it off, Robert. I'm pushing. Honestly, I'm not kidding. I can't get it off. There's the book. Oh, it's horrible. It's some hideous thing. There.
Meanwhile, back on the ship tour, back on the cabin tour.
Oh, and I was worried about having hat hair after having my cap on. Right, okay. So at least we know they work and they've got all the working bits on them. And whistles that we don't know where they've been.
Okay, hope you found that as entertaining as we did when we watched it back. We've watched it a few times now and we still love it.
So embarrassing, the whistle and I couldn't get it off. That was the other thing. I went like a child into some sort of panic.
It was funny.
It was
funny.
Yeah.
One of those moments you can't stage or you can't recreate. So if you've liked this video, please hit the like button, please hit subscribe, hit the notification button if you want to see more of our videos.
Oh, there's a lot of outtakes. There's a lot of gaffes like that. Yeah.
She never lets
Just
it
like
go,
that.
does he?
I know. Sorry.
She never lets it go right at the end. All right, so thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video. Bye for now.
Bye.